Hi there, it's Rachel here at Practice ICAO English, and today you're going to do a lesson on sequencing events, and this is going to help you pass your ICAO English test. The focus today is going to be on the past simple tense. What exactly are you going to learn today? You're going to learn how to use the past simple tense so you'll be equipped to answer questions about aviation incidents and accidents in your ICAO English test. You'll also learn some key vocabulary to describe a runway collision. And you'll learn how to accurately pronounce the past tense of the verbs in this lesson. Let's start off with the formation and use of the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or states that started and finished at a specific time in the past, although you don't have to state that specific time. It's one of the most common tenses in English. How is it formed? Well, for regular verbs, you simply add ed to the base form of the verb. Descend becomes descended with an id sound. Check becomes checked with a t sound. And call becomes called with a d sound. For irregular verbs, the past simple form is different and does not follow a specific rule. So you need to memorize all of them. Fly becomes flew, go becomes went, and take becomes took. If you haven't started memorizing your irregular verbs related to aviation, I suggest you get started today. To form a sentence, you use the subject plus the past simple of regular verbs or irregular verbs plus the complement, which is the completion of the sentence. Today, you're going to learn how to apply the language for sequencing events. And to do that, we're going to use a picture story. Or to be more exact, we're going to use 3 pictures and 1 short video clip. Let's get started. For this picture, the vocabulary you need is turn onto, which is a phrasal verb, and it is regular. It ends in ed. In the photo, you can see an approaching aircraft represented by 3 little dots, and you can see a truck here. What happened first? The truck turned onto an active runway. The driver didn't see the lights from the approaching aircraft. So here we have the negative of the irregular verb see. Let's go on to the next picture. The phrasal verb you need for this picture is line up, and again this is a regular verb ending in ed. What then? The aircraft lined up with the runway. The pilots couldn't see the truck from their position. For this picture, you can use the phrasal verb touchdown, which is a regular phrasal verb ending in ed. You also have the verb speed, which can be a regular verb ending in ed, speeded, or it can be used as an irregular verb spelt sped, which is what I've used in this lesson. And then we have the verb block. And in this picture example, I'm going to use it in the past continuous tense, was blocking. What next? The aircraft touched down. It sped towards the truck that was blocking the runway. For this final part, you need the phrasal verb slow down, which is a regular phrasal verb ending in ed. The verb collide, also a regular verb ending in ed in the past simple. And the irregular verb burst. What happened in the end? The pilots saw the truck too late and couldn't slow down in time. The right wing collided with the truck and it burst into flames. Now we're going to do some final practice for your pronunciation. I'd like you to repeat the sentences after me. The truck turned onto an active runway. The driver didn't see the lights from the approaching aircraft. The aircraft lined up with the runway. The pilots couldn't see the truck from their position. The aircraft touched down. It rolled out and sped towards the truck that was on the runway. The pilots saw the truck too late and couldn't slow down in time. The right wing collided with the truck and it burst into flames. How did you get on pronouncing those past simple ED endings? I'm sure you did very well, but you can go through this lesson again and practice, practice, practice. I'd like you to watch out for upcoming videos about my free ICAO English Masterclass that's coming very soon. And I look forward to seeing you in the next ICAO English lesson. Bye for now.